In this talk, we will try to uncover what actually CD is, what it brings to the table, and how can we achieve CD. Okay, so as one of the practitioners, the famous practitioner Martin Fowler puts it, continuous delivery is a software development discipline where you build software in such a way that the software can be released to production at any time. So as soon as I say my story is done, I should be able to move it to production. This is what he says. But still, from where does this thought come from? Okay, we were talking about Scrum, Agile, extreme programming practices, and then Lean. But then it was this thought of continuous delivery emerges. From where this thought actually emerges. So continuous delivery is actually amalgam of two things, okay? First is the Agile Manifesto, okay? The very first principle of Agile Manifesto puts it, our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through earlier and continuous delivery of valuable software, okay? When we follow this principle, in general practice, what we think is, this regards iterative development, okay? We develop in iterations, in sprints. Every sprint, we pick few stories from the backlog, we work on those stories, get user acceptance at the end of the sprint, and then we are delivering. But as I just mentioned, in reality, are we delivering? The product owner feels, okay, these are working fine as per the expectations, but they are still not out to the user. In the sense, iterative development is necessary for continuous delivery, but still, we have not reached yet, okay? Another paradigm is the lean software development. What does it state? Deliver as fast as possible, okay? So this is one of the important principles of lean. Another one is elimination of waste. We'll come to it. But this is deliver as fast as possible. Now when you combine both of them, okay, how we are delivering, even though we say at the end of each iteration we are ready to ship to production, okay, how fast are we delivering? Probably we are delivering every sprint, every couple of weeks. That is every 100 commits we make and then we deliver. But then the lean principle says as fast as possible. How frequent could be fast enough? Is 2 weeks fast enough? Is 100 commits fast enough? I would say every commit is fastest. As soon as you make a commit and you are ready to go to production. This is fast enough. This is fastest, is what I believe. So hence, we come up with CD. CD is an advanced lean agile practice. It is the tool, it is the practice which might give you the ultimate nirvana so far. So if we go by the lean and agile principles, CD is where it stands now. So again, in theory it looks good, okay? So I can see a few smiles here. In theory it looks good, okay? But again, our common inhibitions. What actually is CD? We are saying we can do this. Can we actually do it too? Can we actually do this? Or let's suppose I can even do this, but what benefit will I get out of it? What benefit will I get? Like I make a commit and the other day user can use it. What benefit am I getting out of it? Why should I use it? Why should I take so much of pain? Right? So that's one of the things. The third thing is, how can I do it? Okay, even though I can see some benefit, how can I do it? So these are the three agendas.
I think one more